Hey guys, Shaman and Yolanda. I introduced her this time.
Yeah.
From Harper Therapy.
Hello.
And we've been talking about, or we are talking about,
Yeah.
the Relational Life Therapy Essential Skills Couples Workshops, boot camps that we're offering here.
Yeah. This is something that is exclusive to Harper Therapy.
Right.
We are bringing it, we are trailblazing it into the area, and I am super excited about it because we've shared a little bit in previous videos about my journey to finding RLT, this work, how impactful it is. And I have had the opportunity to be trained by the founder of this therapy, Terry Real.
Right. Who, by the way, has been the therapist for Bruce Springsteen and Hugh Jackman. I mean, you got to name drop a little bit.
He's got some
chops.
Best-selling books.
All right. He's written tons of books.
Yeah,
right.
yeah. So, and is friends with Esther Perel and colleagues with Esther Perel, if you're familiar with her. And so to be able to bring this work to our community is really meaningful to me because really it's a bigger picture thing that introducing these relational skills in the context of a romantic relationship, or we said before how much this benefits just relationships in general,
right,
can seriously change the world. It can change your romantic relationship. It can change your relationship with your family, with your friends, with your coworkers. And I really believe that.
Yeah. No, it's life-changing work. I mean, it's totally changed our relationship.
For sure.
Right.
And we've been together for 3.5 decades.
Right.
And, we were doing pretty well. And it's just brought us together even more.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So this is kind of what this boot camp entails, or what this workshop entails.
Right.
We're going to hit a lot of things over the 2 days. We are going to really roll up our sleeves and learn things about relationships and put these things into practice and learn skills. And some of what we're going to be covering is, one, how to work through conflict in a constructive way. A lot of couples either explode when things get stressful. Some couples, they both kind of go off to their own corners.
Right.
Hide. Just like
stonewall, get behind the wall.
Like sweeping under the rug kind of thing. Some couples that, it's a combination of one partner might explode, the other partner might withdraw.
Right.
So whatever your conflict style, we will be helping you to get a better understanding get a better understanding where that comes from,
right,
so that you can use these skills effectively at home.
Yeah, the crazy thing is, more often than not, you learn that, right?
Oh yeah. We learn how to engage in relationships and how to handle conflict.
Right.
Well before
we actually got in a relationship.
Yeah, this romantic relationship. So that's one of the things that we'll be doing. Another thing that we'll be focusing on is how to deepen intimacy.
Mm-hmm.
I hear a lot from couples, like, we have become roommates.
Right.
They're like, there's no real connection there.
Especially after if you have older kids.
Yeah, I mean, wherever you are in the
relationship. I guess we see it a lot. That's true, all across the board.
Yeah,
that's true.
Yeah. And so we will help you to get a better understanding of how to connect with one another in that deeper way that so many people are yearning for,
right,
but have no model or no skill set for how to actually do the thing.
Right.
Then another big thing that we do during the workshop is to identify like these maladaptive patterns that underlie every relationship, right? So each one of us brings kind of our pre-existing knowings about how to be in a relationship to your current day relationship.
Right.
And a lot of those knowings are kind of like maladaptive, like they served us earlier in life, they're not serving us now in this relationship. So getting a better understanding of what those patterns look like, so that you, one, know that the pattern is in action when it is, so that you can break up that pattern.
That's part of the problem, is we never recognize we're in that moment, right?
Right. So we're going to teach you how to recognize that you are in that same old dance
Right.
that gets you nowhere.
Right.
It's like at the beginning of your relationship, you have this really sexy dance or this
the honeymoon
the honeymoon phase,
right.
and then life kicks in and these maladaptive patterns kick in,
Right.
and then you're doing the funky chicken and stepping on each other's toes. And so we're going to help you recognize when you're in the funky chicken dance so that you can shift back to a dance that's more beneficial and constructive for the relationship. So it's a little bit of an overview.
Right.
Yeah.
So there's a link.
Yeah.
You can click it and get some more information about our upcoming workshop.
Don't wait. Don't wait because seats are limited. We do that so that we can craft an environment that is going to be conducive for the depth of this work.
Absolutely.
So we will see you there.
All right.